Hello and welcome back. So this week I am going for another beach walk. I am at the same beach as last week, but this week I'm going in the opposite direction, so I'm heading south. So that will be really awesome. It's a beautiful day today, the sun is shining, it's pretty warm, so I'd say it's going to be a good day. So on this side, heading south, it's a little bit different because there's some grass and a lot more like wetland type environment, so that's quite interesting. I'm gonna go head towards the water now. Right now the tide is outgoing. What's that? I found the tiniest piece of epidote. Look at that, mini. Might have to keep it for the sake of it. That's a nice little crystal-y piece. Interesting piece of what I believe is quartz. You can see Timaru in the distance. Spotted green. Ship out in the distance. There's a big chunk of something just sitting there. Oh wow, this is pretty neat. What's that? Oh, don't want to get wet. Wow, that's quite cool. I love the green. That's quite nice. Okay, so I'm going to start heading back now. I've gotten a few bits and pieces that I think are really beautiful, so I'll start heading back towards my car and I'll find a spot along the way to stick the stones up that I've found. So I didn't find a single stone worth showing on the way back, which was unusual, but I was heading back at quite a fast pace. That's okay, let's unpack to see what we have found. Didn't actually find that much, but my pockets felt full because of the big pieces. Oh, iron stained quartz. And a mini epidote. Okay, I'll turn the camera around so you can see closer. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.